In this video I am going to show you how to create WhatsApp avatar. WhatsApp recently launched avatar like Facebook, Instagram and other social media. Let's create your own avatar in WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp in your phone and go to the settings from the three-dot menu. From here, click on avatar and you will guide it to the page to create avatar. Click on create your avatar and then click on get started. Choose a skin tone for your avatar. Tap next. Then select your hairstyle. Here WhatsApp provides a lot of hairstyle. Select your own hairstyle. I think you have already created your avatar in Facebook, Instagram or other social media and you know how to create this. Just go through the video and follow the steps to create your own avatar. By this way you can create your own avatar in WhatsApp and you can send avatar stickers to your friends. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up, share with your friends so that they can also make their WhatsApp avatar. Thanks for watching.